this?
No, we will start from here, okay? So, very first thing, we are going to get a sprite, okay? Just hover on it over here. And, no, wait, just hover on it. You can delete that one.
Okay. Can you wait for 1 minute, sir?
Yeah, no problem.
Sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's sit back over here. Just put your mouse cursor on that sprite. Do not click as such, okay? Just put it over here.
Sir?
Yes, Agarika?
Okay, sir. Can you just show me how to do this?
Okay, you have to share your screen.
Sir, should I press this?
Yes, press that. Let me just first do it with Vihan and then I will come back to you guys.
Okay. Sorry, sir. I mistake. Press stop sharing. Okay, sir.
Okay,
It's
now,
in Max, sir.
yeah, so now select that and say open. Is this your stickman or there's some other stickman you have? And
Okay, sir,
now call this as stickman. Just name it as stickman. Kevin, can you do this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I am searching my stickman.
Okay.
STIK, sir.
STICK. STICKMAN. Okay, very good.
Now I need a gun.
His hand is a gun or not?
No, I need some gun which he is holding, sir.
Then you have to go to costume and then, do you know how to go to costume and then you have to create a gun, right?
No, sir, I don't know how to create a gun.
You don't know. You can create gun over here, or do you have a gun somewhere over here?
No, sir, I've checked that thing.
You don't have gun.
No, wait, sir.
Gun will not be there. Gun is not for kids, correct?
Yes, sir.
But can we, for the time being, we will consider his arm to be the gun, okay? So this is a gun kind of thing, okay? All right.
Wait, sir, I'll ask if Sagrika knows how to.
Okay.
How to do this. Do what? Draw a gun. You know how to draw a gun? I'll try. She's going to try, sir.
Okay.
Come. Okay, 1 second. You know your screen is green. Yeah. Wait. 1 second.
Excuse me, sir. The gun should be a pistol or the other one.
Do you have pistol or no?
Okay.
But I am thinking like his hand is like
pistol, sir.
I know.
You have? Where did you find it?
So in Google, I had a gun.
Okay, can you show like so that?
Records. Like actually, I had saved it.
Okay, you have saved it. Okay.
I can bring that.
Okay. Very good.
So should we also do the same thing?
What do you want to do? Through Google, you have to find it out.
In the Google, we have to save a gun.
Okay, so you do know how to search on the Google?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please do that and then get it.
I'll try. Yes, sir, she's trying.
So you can get a toy gun, right? Okay.
No, sir, real gun.
Real gun you want. You are a kid right now. Why do you want real
No,
gun?
it's okay. Real gun.
Oh, she is making real gun.
One second. Wait, I will search in Google. Search in Google. Do you think you get animation? Wait, no. No. 1 second, I just want to try. Let me see. I will wait. Okay. Wait. That's all I can draw. Wait. Wait, sir, I'll try something else.
Okay, I'm sending you one more. Just download that also. Okay.
Sir. Wait, sir. I'm going to type animation.
Sir,
Yes.
can I try?
I don't know how to do this. I don't know where to get the stick
Okay. I've sent you one more, Vihan. Can you click on that link and then download it?
Sir, for that I have to stop sharing. Sir, can I share?
Okay.
Because I don't know how to do that. Sir, not this, sir.
Then what kind of
Like
gun you
some-
want? You want
Sir,
gun to scare
Some
people? Or
animated. Sir,
Animated.
some animation gun.
animation gun? We will get it. Animation gun. This is an animation
Sir,
gun
I
only,
will-
right? This is a toy gun
No,
itself.
sir. I want the animation gun. Sir, I'll just look for it.
But your animation gun will not work over here, Vihan. On this particular thing, it will not work.
Wait, I'll see if it will work. 1 second. Ma'am. Animation gun. Yeah, this one? Huh? This one. Wait. How to spell animated? Yeah, I've already searched that. Okay, just tell me how to spell gun. Oh, yeah. I know. Is this fine? Yeah. Huh? Okay. You choose.
Okay. We will proceed.
No, sir, wait. Sir, how do you download one?
You have to right click.
Okay.
Right click and then say save image as.
Link.
Save image.
Sir, I can't find any guns, sir.
I shared with your gun. You don't like that gun.
Sir, then?
You can save it anywhere. Just remember where you have saved it. Now let's go back to your program.
How to spell animated? Yes. How to spell animated? Yeah, how to spell animated? Huh? Animated spelling. One second. Yes, just save that.
Okay, now go back to your sprite and add a new costume over there. So you have added the first costume or not?
No.
The stickman you have not added. So you have to also download the stickman.
How?
That was also the link I have given in the chat.
This one? The first one?
Yeah, the first one.
I don't know.
Yes, you have to right click.
Okay. Sagrika, how did I get your gun? Huh? How did I get your gun? Google. Okay. 1 second, sir. Animated. Go to this, the first. Then you have to go to images. Okay. Images. So if I so slow, my internet is not slow. Don't like all log and stop. Images, and then everything comes your way. See, now to scroll down and you can see. Sir,
Yes.
now what? Wait, sir. I'm almost done.
Okay, you have to first, you have downloaded both, right? Now just hover on the sprite
Wait, sir, wait, sir.
over here.
Hello,
Hi, Kevin.
hello, sir. The
Hello.
mine just got disconnected.
Okay, we did not do much. Just give me 1 second. Go over here on the sprite.
Sir, can I just share my screen 1 minute?
Go to upload. No.
Sir,
Don't
can I
click over.
share my screen 1
Yes,
minute?
Vian. First, let me help her.
Yes, sir.
First, select go back to where you have in downloads, right?
No, sir, this PC.
Okay. So where you have saved it. So first select this particular one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then go to the costume.
I'll name it Stickman.
Then go to costume. And then over here, select the second one also. Go and upload the second costume. Okay. You have to you have to reduce the size also, right? So just select it and see, can you reduce the size of it? Make it very
Excuse me,
small,
sir.
right? Make it very small. We have to place it over here, right? Make it very small. Yes, Kevin.
So we can make the size 10.
But we have costumes, right? Okay. Now copy this. Go to the first one and paste it. And then paste it on his hand. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. Who all have not done this?
We have. Me, sir.
Okay. Please share. No, you don't have to. You have to upload a costume now. Go over here and upload a costume. You are uploading a sprite, Vihan. We have to upload now a costume on the left hand side.
This picture, sir.
Over here on the left hand side, left hand side.
Corner. Yeah.
Where did you download?
I don't know.
It downloads Rihan.
No. Desktop? No, go to PC. This PC. No. Scroll down. No.
or download it again.
Where did you save it? I don't know. It saves on the phone. It doesn't save on the phone. It saves. I don't put it anywhere.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Download.
Do
Do it
one
Sir,
again.
thing.
after like downloading it,
Mm-hmm. Yes, Kevin.
sir, after downloading it, it's coming as another
No,
sprite.
that's a man.
Yes, I'll come to you, Kevin. Let me first.
No.
Sagarika, if you can stop sharing, let me go to Kevin.
Okay, which one did you choose? This one. Yeah. Stop sharing. Huh? Stop. One second. Oh, it says save as. Save. I think I didn't press save. Oh, stop sharing. Sir, how to put it, sir? I'll show you. Can I do some work, please?
Sir,
Yes, Kevin, please share.
Just tell me what.
well,
Okay.
I have.
You have that, right? So now upload this as a costume. Do not upload it as a sprite. Just delete it.
Yeah, download.
It.
Go to costumes
Okay.
now.
No, wait.
No, go to costumes.
Yes, a costume.
No, over here on the top left, costumes.
Costume.
Okay, now wait. Convert.
Then
I have to erase.
over here
1 second.
and
And
upload
yes, sir.
and upload it.
Yes, sir.
Upload it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then reduce the size. Convert to vector and reduce the size.
Select.
Okay.
So done, sir.
And then copy it.
So
Copy.
copy it. Wait. Copy this image.
And then go and paste it. No, you don't have to do it. Go back over here. Go back over here. Select this first. Select this first.
So
Then say copy.
copy.
Then go over
here.
here and say paste.
Paste.
And then drag it down and reduce the size again.
Okay, sir.
Everyone did this? Okay. So now we have to start coding, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have done that? Vian? Okay, Vian, can we do it? Sagarika, Vihan.
So they have muted themselves.
Yes, but they can hear or?
So they can hear us, sir, but they're not responding.
Or they are fighting. They're not fighting. Hello. Can you hear me, Sagarika, Vihan? Okay, we have to wait for them. Meanwhile, what you can do, we have to make sure that this particular man, right? He can
Yes,
go
sir.
up, he can go forward,
Sir?
He can go down or he can go left.
Sir?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Can you wait for me?
Okay.
Sir,
So-
actually, what is the
I had
stories?
We are trying to make a shooting game. Okay.
No, three white thing.
Okay, sir.
So this is a shooter that we have. Okay.
Sir.
Wait, one.
So like he have to aim it or he have to go there.
No. So what we will do, we will have something coming over here. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
And then if this thing touches, then the game is over.
Okay.
Okay. So we before it touches, we have to like shoot them. Okay. So
So should we?
yeah, so you can start building. If right arrow is clicked, then move towards
Okay,
right.
sir.
Okay. If left arrow is clicked. Okay.
Right arrow is clear.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
can I just share my screen? Something's
Okay.
wrong with my.
Okay.
Wait, you have to reduce your size and then it might not be there. Can I just share my screen?
What special you have done, Vihan?
So I tried to choose a big gun. This background came. I
Okay.
wanted to choose something else, but it's not letting me choose anything else.
So you first have to convert to vector. First convert to vector.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
you can ask Vihan for control of the screen, and then you can help him.
Will he allow me to help him?
Vihan, allow sir for say allow.
I know.
Okay.
That's not, sir. So can you make it little bigger?
We will see how it fits the hand of that person. Then we can make it bigger. Okay.
Please, sir. Then the hand's going to go.
Yeah, because there is a background image, right? It's not a transparent image. Okay.
So in this it's too small.
Then make it 75.
That was the thing, sir. This one.
Okay. We'll start coding. Otherwise, we will not finish the coding thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now let's start coding. Can we start, Sagarika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So behind very first thing, drag and drop the forever block. Drag and drop forever. Control.
Okay, sir.
Then drag and drop the if block inside that.
If then, sir.
Yeah, if then.
Inside here.
Okay. Then go to sensing. Say if the arrow press, right? Okay. If arrow pressed is right arrow. If key pressed is right arrow, then change X by 10. So go to motion
Okay,
and
sir.
let's do change X by 10.
Done, sir.
Should I
Done?
put it here, sir?
Yes, inside. Now duplicate this and do it for left arrow. And do if left arrow is pressed, change X by -10. Okay. Now we will do the same thing for the up arrow and the down arrow. Okay. Just duplicate it again.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Sir, mine everything just got deleted.
Okay. You can create it again. I'll
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Okay.
I can create it.
Okay.
Sir, should I wait, sir?
You can build, right? You can keep on building. If up arrow is, then what do we need to do? We have
20,
to,
sir.
no. If up arrow is, then we have to change the Y. So this X will not be there. If up arrow is change Y by 10.
This, sir?
This also we have to make change Y by -10. Change Y by -10. Then put a green flag on top of everything and see your man is moving here, there, and not. Okay, with your arrow keys. Okay.
Well done, sir.
And the coding also for the right, left, everything.
Sir,
Yes.
No, sir. Coding I have to do.
I need the green flag, sir.
Yeah. So green flag is where? Where do you have the green flag? In the events.
Otherwise, this my character won't work.
Yes. So please add green flag everywhere, right? On each of these forever.
Sir,
Yes.
so for down arrow, it will be -10.
Change Y by -10. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
done, sir.
Now just play it and show me your man is moving or not. And do not delete anything, Vihan. Okay.
Sir, if I click on it, it will go down, sir.
No, but you have to go full screen and then do it, right? Just-
That's all.
Now click on the green arrow, the green flag.
No, sir, it's only going down.
But click on your up arrow, right? You have to click on the up arrow to make it move up. Click on your
No.
up arrow. Are you clicking on the up arrow?
Sir, the code stops, sir. Wait.
Okay. Now let's look at your code as such. When one up arrow is clicked, where is
Sir,
your
I'm
code for?
clicking up arrow. It's not working.
Okay. So let's go and look at your code.
This is working.
Okay. So just go back to your code and show me your code.
That's working for me.
Okay.
Everything. Yeah.
Just scroll down. Scroll down. One
Look,
up
sir,
arrow is clicked, change Y by 10. What do you click as soon as you hit green flag? Do you click the right arrow, left arrow? What do you click?
It automatically it goes down, but then if I click up arrow, it doesn't work. If I click left arrow, it comes like this. It works.
Okay, change when key down, change when. No, it should not be. Just click on your green flag once more.
And now it's working, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Alright.
how to make it shoot?
We'll make a shoot, right? First, we are making the man walk here and there. Okay.
So
Everyone
can you
done
tell
this?
me-
Yeah, Kevin, tell me.
Sir, can you tell me the degrees, like change Y by how much?
Y by 10 only for
Sir?
Y by 10 and X by 10.
Sir, can I just make
So
it
for
little
everything,
big?
change Y by 10.
Kevin, you can share your screen.
Yes, sir.
So I'm making the gun little bigger, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Just show me. Okay. And if you click
Sir.
green, if you click green flag, so when up arrow is change y by 10, good. When right arrow, then it should be change x by 10. Right arrow should make me move in the x direction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And when left arrow, change x by -10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You happy?
Okay. Everyone done? Okay, now let me go to Sagarika. Now we will
Okay,
do
sir.
now we'll do coding for the bullet.
Wait, sir.
Ready?
Sir. Sir,
Yes.
just share my screen.
Okay.
Wait.
What did you do with your gun?
Wait, so I move. I have to stretch it for a minute.
Huh?
I have to stretch it 1 minute. I'm just making it little big.
Oh my, it's too big, man. Okay. All right. So now let's go back and create a new sprite. Sagarika, if you can share.
Yes, sir.
Oh no.
So bullet, sir.
Yes, we will create a new sprite. So go to the paint, and we will create a black color circle. Okay, small circle, black color.
Sir,
Yes.
I have another way to make a bullet.
Tell me.
Wait, so I'm making some bullet.
Done. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Everyone done? Bullet done for everyone?
Sir, how many bullets should we make, sir?
Just one. Just one.
Oh, sir, it's too big. Sir,
Yes, we have.
I'm still doing it, sir.
Okay.
I think circle will be easier. Also for me, sir.
Yes.
Can I make the circle yellow?
Circle, yellow color bullet. Yes, you can make it if you want.
There are actually some bullets yellow color.
Okay.
It's not letting me pick it up.
It's not letting you.
Pick it up.
Okay, you have to share your screen.
Look, sir. If I try to pick it up,
What do you want to do?
I want it here. It's supposed to be.
That we will get it through code. Okay. For the time being, we'll just create a bullet. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Right. Now we have a bullet also. Okay. Now we will start coding for the bullet. Everyone created the bullet?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, I can grab it.
Okay. Very good.
Wait, I need to make it little small. It's too big. Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll say go to motion.
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. And drag and drop, go to XY block. Go to XY, just drag and drop, go to XY block.
X should be, sir.
Yes. Wait. Now just remove the first one. Just have go to XY.
Okay.
Okay. And just remove the first one.
Just delete it.
Yeah. Then after that, put a hide block over here.
Okay, sir.
Everyone done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then put a forever block. Put a forever block below this.
Okay.
So below it or together?
Below that.
Sir, done.
Okay. Then put a if block inside this.
If then, sir.
If then, yes.
Okay.
Now we want bullet to come out when we are going to press the space key. Okay. So go to sensing and say if key space pressed.
Key space press. Wait, sir.
Yes. Put it over here.
Mm,
Okay. If someone presses the space key, okay, then we are going to
make the bullet to shoot out.
yeah, we'll first show the bullet, okay? Because we have
Yes, sir.
hidden it at the very first step. Now then we are going to show the bullet. So
Okay,
go
sir.
to looks
Looks.
and there would be a show block.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
Actually, the bullet should be disappeared. Then
So when we start our program, bullet will not be visible. Okay,
So
when
we
we
need to code for the gun.
yes, we'll do that. Okay.
okay, sir. I
Okay, so
understood.
okay. So now let's go back to the bullet only. Let's go to the code for the bullet.
So this was the code for the bullet.
Yeah, we are still coding for bullet.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then there would be a block which say repeat until. Do you have a block in control? Repeat
Yes, sir.
until. Okay, then drag and drop below that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Below show block. Okay, so over here we will say repeat until touching the edge. Okay, unless until it touches the edge, he has to do something. Okay, so that we will get it from the sensing. Go to sensing. Touching, yeah. Just drag and drop this.
The first one, sir.
Yeah, first one. And just select, do you have touching edge?
It just says edge.
Yes, just select edge. And over here, put move block, move 10. Go to motion and drag and drop, move 10 blocks. Very good.
Wait, sir. I just try.
So move how many steps?
10.
Okay.
So it's not working. Wait,
Yes, to make it work.
green flag.
Yes. Our code is still not complete, okay? But you can add a green flag, okay?
No. Still doesn't work, sir.
Still does not work, okay? Then let's go back.
So
Okay,
1
now.
second.
Sir, sure.
It's working?
Look, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's working.
Look,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
How about you,
it's-
Kevin?
Sir,
Sir,
it's
did you
going,
see?
sir, but it's not coming back.
Okay, we will just cross
What's
check.
the mine, sir? Sir, can I just show?
Yes, I'm seeing
Sir?
yours only. Yes,
Sir, you can only shoot one bullet.
yes, correct.
Okay.
We'll do that, okay? Continue.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So who is going to share next?
Sir, I'll share.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then what we need to do is we have fired the bullet over here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we need to bring our bullet back to the starting point. Can you again put go to XY block?
Yes, sir.
Go to XY block, put it over here. No, not over there, at the bottom. Remove.
Sir?
After move 10 steps.
Yes. After this, repeat until. Yes, Vihan. Wait.
Where
Can you-
go to XY?
Vihan, just okay. So let me first help her.
Sir.
Let me first help her. Put it over here, okay?
Okay, sir.
And then make a hide. Make it hide.
Okay.
And now let's try it. And you have this in forever block, right?
Yes, sir. Up, down, shoot. So it's not letting me shoot.
Yeah, so we'll have to fix that, right?
Sir, for me, it's happening.
For you, it's happening, okay?
Wait, sir, I've not tried.
So I can't move also now. Oh yeah, now I can move. But I can't shoot.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
So
It's happening.
what we are missing over here is there is a go to XY block that we are missing.
Sir?
So
Sir?
before show, put go to XY again.
Okay, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
For me, it's working, but it's not coming back.
Okay. Let me first check for Sagarika.
Sir, the same place.
Yeah, same place. Let's try it out.
Okay. So it goes left, right, up, down, and doesn't shoot.
No, so you have to go full screen, still not shooting. Okay. When this is, how about you, Kevin? It is working?
Yes, sir. It's working for me.
So before it shot, it used to shoot.
Okay, yes, sorry. So do one thing. Whatever is the value over here, right? 156, put
Yes,
the
sir.
same value over here, put the same value over here and try it out.
Okay. And here.
Yes. Now
Okay.
try it.
Yes, sir, it's shooting.
Okay,
But it's shooting from somewhere else.
yeah, so we'll fix it, right?
Sir?
Let's go back to Vihan. Okay, Vihan.
Sir, we have to make another one.
Why another one? What happened?
I told 2-player.
First we'll make the first player, right? Then only the second player will come.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I just show you?
Yes, show me like what code you have written.
No, like this, sir. It's
Okay.
true,
Uh-huh.
but it. Wait, sir. Something's going.
Okay.
I'm just pausing.
Okay.
Sir, I
Why
didn't do. Sir, I didn't do anything.
it shooted the ball, right?
Yes, sir, but it's not coming back.
Yes, so we have to look at your code. Can you show me your code again? Kevin, for you it is working fine?
Yes, sir, it's working
Okay.
fine. But
Okay.
the bullet is
Uh-huh.
going only from one place.
Yes, bullet
Sir?
will always come from
Sir?
the pistol, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
But
Yes.
if the pistol is stopped, the
Uh-huh.
bullet will come from down.
Okay, we'll do one by one. Okay, so
Sir?
yes, Vihan.
Mine is automatically shooting. I'm not pressing the space, sir.
Okay, then show me your code for the ball. Show me your code. Okay, when this is pressed, then go to this location. Okay, can you show me your this thing? Just now click over here. Or click on the other one.
Okay, sir.
Just bring it back next to this ball. Yeah, and just keep it over there for the time being. Okay,
Okay.
and okay, do one thing. Make this as minus 77.
Sir?
Well, let's make it minus 77 for the time being. Yes, and
Sir,
make yes.
the two players will have different guns, sir.
Yes, we will do it, but first we'll do it for one player. Okay, this is minus 97. Okay, if space key is pressed, then show it. Then you again have to have a block over here, right? Go to. Okay, so go to motion again. Go to motion.
Wait, sir, not that. Okay.
Go to motion and say go to motion. No, go to motion block, and we will and drag and wait. Don't drag and drop this go to random block over here.
And put it here, sir.
Yes, and over here select the what is the name of your stickman, right? Select stickman.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let me just look over here again. Repeat until edge, move 10 step.
Sir, it shoots
Wait.
on its own.
No, it will. You must be pressing the space key.
No, sir, I'm not pressing it.
Okay, then let's go back to your code, right? Your code is still.
But I like it, sir.
Okay, but let's go back to your code.
Okay.
If key is pressed, then go to stickman show, repeat until move 10 steps, go to edge. Can you remove this part? Remove this part.
So now should I try it?
And go back and put this go to random.
Yes, sir. And so
Yes.
the mouse pointer.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, not the mouse pointer, to the stick man.
So it's not showing stickman. Wait, sir. I think it's too low. It was too low, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Outside this, no, outside this, over here. Just above this height thing.
Okay, sir.
Wait, now let me I am looking at your code. Okay.
Should I try it?
Not yet. Put this above here. Go to X and Y.
Go to X.
No, over this block should be over here. One block above.
Here, sir. Wait.
Somewhere over here, yes.
Here, sir.
No, it should not attach over there, Vihan.
Then
Okay.
should
Can
I
you?
put it here?
No, wait. Just put it over here. Height block. Put
Okay,
it somewhere
sir.
out. Then
Okay, sir.
put this also somewhere out.
Okay, sir.
Then put this thing over here at this point.
Okay, sir.
No, do not attach it to the move, right? You are attaching it to both the one below move. You have to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good.
Okay, sir.
Then very nice. Okay. Then put this go to above this one over here.
Okay, sir.
Now show me full screen. Go full screen and show me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's
If
working.
you should only it
Okay, so try to make your bullet slightly smaller. Okay, so save the game. So we'll continue on Friday now. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
I made
Okay.
the second sprite also.
Very good. Show me.
Sure.
And I coded for it also.
Very good.
But I don't know if it's right.
Okay. Kevin, you have done this.
We
I
have
like
stopped sharing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let Kevin share first. Okay.
So I add a second sprite.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Very good. Okay.
and they all have the same code.
They have the same code. Okay. So you want to play like this, or you want to do some other game?
So
How-
for
how-
red, I'll change the keys,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, that's it.
Sir.
Okay. Then let's do one thing, Kevin. On Friday when we join, right? Can you meanwhile create the same thing what she has
Okay,
done?
sir.
Okay.
sir.
All right. So what we will do on Friday, we'll change the game. We will have something dropping from here. Okay. And
Okay,
these men will try to shoot them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. But please save your game. Okay.
How did you do it?
Okay,
One
sir.
second.
Okay. Bye then. Okay.
1 second, sir. I'll
Bye,
save
sir. Bye,
this.
Bye.
Bye,
Kevin.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.